الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our religion, Islam, is a peace-loving, great, true, and complete religion. All Islamic teachings not only comfort to human nature, but they also guarantee a complete and excellent society. Pleasing someone is also one of the incredible traits of Islamic teachings, and this beautiful attribute is the source of the survival of the system of life. Furthermore, it is a means of a pleasant life. Pleasing someone is such a beautiful excellence and cultivates in human the habit of behaving gracefully towards others and makes him an embodiment of high values. It is a habit through which a person can win the hearts of others. It is why Islam persuades us again and again to please other Muslims by treating them well and sharing their grief and sorrow. Let's listen some blessed sayings of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam about pleasing others. Number 1. After offering faraid, obligations, the most superior act in the sight of Allah Azza wa Jal is to gladden the heart of a Muslim brother. Number 2. Undoubtedly, gladdening the heart of your Muslim brother is also from the noble acts that make forgiveness wajib. Number 3. Whoever makes a Muslim happy pleases Allah Azza wa Jal. Once Imam Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anhu passed by some needy people who were eating leftover bread on the floor. They requested Imam Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anhu to have food with them. He radiallahu ta'ala anhu ate some food with them. While leaving, he said salam to them and said, I have accepted your invitation, and now you should also accept my invitation. He radiallahu ta'ala anhu invited them over, and when they came to him, his home, he radiallahu ta'ala anhu served them with excellent food and also joined them in eating food. So Imam Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the grandson of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, despite possessing high rank, joined those poor people to please them and then invited them in return. He radiallahu ta'ala anhu practically taught us a lesson that apart from the rich, we should also treat the poor with love, affection, and kindness. Pleasing others according to Sharia rulings bring great benefits in this world and the hereafter. For example, it strengthens relationships, removes displeasure, and develops love. In addition to these benefits, the act of pleasing others frequently can help bring others close to you and creates a healthy environment in society. A person who is habituated to it is loved by all. Above all, one can please Allah Azza wa Jal and his beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam by pleasing others while following blessed Shari'i rulings. So we should cultivate the habit of pleasing others. Inquiring after a patient, attending of any funeral procession, and sympathizing with a Muslim brother who has suffered a loss, keeping in touch with friends and relatives from time to time to please Allah Azza wa Jal, and for calling people towards righteousness, doing good and showing gentleness to a Muslim brother, helping a needy financially as per one's capacity, removing worries and providing others with ease and comfort by sacrificing one's own comfort. In short, treating a Muslim brother well by any permissible means according to Shari'i ruling is the act of pleasing others. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us ability to act upon what we have listened today. Ameen bijahi Nabiyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.